Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Grass Design. Sorry about my voice this morning. These are gonna be so fun. Craspire contacted me and wanted to send me a few items. So I've been wanting these barrette molds for a while. So I chose the barrette molds and a few bead molds. Gosh, we're gonna have fun with those. Alright. These also came with the clips. I'm gonna put those on too. Alright, this one was just a lonely only. Oh, they're still bendy. They're still bendy. I'm sure it's just because they're so thin. That is so pretty. I love the flat, shiny side. Oh, so pretty. I'm saving these for last. One little flake of red glitter. Truly a Christmas one, huh? Gosh. Just love them. Right. Then there's these. Okay, get those all flattened out. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I am not a hair clip wearer. Not really sure my sisters are either, but I know my grandkids will be. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. My sister will love these. And my nieces, but as far as that goes. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are so cute. Okay. So cute. Alright, I'll get everything set up. I'm just gonna actually use UV resin and a drop of hot glue. Because these are see-through. Completely see-through. Okay? So I'll get everything set up and then I'll be back. Okay, I've got my hot glue gun, got my UV resin. And I'm gonna put the clips on the barrettes. I did put them back in the mold just for a little stability. Alright. Now this UV resin, I'm sorry, this temperature is not very conducive to thin resin. Alright, so better yet, I'm gonna just try one. Just down the edges, really close to the center, because as you can tell, that is not as wide. I'm going to put this under the UV light and we're going to give it a test. Now, because this is see-through, is the only reason I can use the UV resin. When I put it under the light, I'm going to put it under for a minute and a half, 2 minutes, whatever, on this side, and then I'm going to flip it over. Okay, oh my gosh. Here they are. I'll just show you a couple of them. So cute. Now, all I did was the UV resin and just a touch of hot glue just to hold it temporarily. And then I UV resined it twice and UV resined it twice before I took it back out of the mold. Alright? And then I just used the Gorilla Super Glue gel to glue the little embellishments on. And these, there's even room you could put a little vinyl cutout, vinyl decal or something on there that would be super cute. So, these are just a few of the embellishments I've got. This super glue gel does take longer to dry. Now on this one, I didn't put the clip down quite far enough, so there's more of it sticking out. But you learn, right? That was my first one. It's so cute. I just love these. I'm not sure if I already showed that one. It's cute. The minute I saw that, I thought of my baby sister. I don't know why. This is the one that just had the tiny little red dot of glitter. Okay, and I think I already showed you that one. Super cute. Alright. there they are. I know they're all green, but that's just what I poured this time. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave the list up. I'll leave the links to Craspire's website and to these awesome hair barrette molds. Oh, now they do come with the clips. I'm pretty sure they sell just the clips too. Oh my goodness. There is another set of Christmas gifts right there. I'm going to cut out some hair barrette cards on my silhouette. That'll be fun. Alright. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye for now.